Hello everybody, welcome back. In today's video I'll show you how to fix the Ghost Touch problem on your INFINIX Note 60 Pro. First, remove a screen protector or a case and let me explain why. If the screen protector is not applied completely on the screen but is going off to the edges or sides of the phone, you should remove it. If your case is going over the bezel, which is a dark line between the screen and the side of the phone, you should also remove it. Now we're going to clean our screen to remove any debris, moisture, and fingerprints using a microfiber cloth. So now I'm giving a few swipes and everything should be good and ready to go. Now simply restart the phone. Press and hold the power button, tap restart and restart. Now it is restarting, so I'll see you guys in a second once it's done. After the restart, as a last resort, you can update your software. This is how you can do it. Just open up Settings and click on INFINIX Note 60 Pro. Click Check for updates. As you can see, my software is up to date, but if yours isn't, then I recommend updating it. You can fix your Ghost Touch problem just like this. That's it for the video. I hope it was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one.